So, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you're doing well. Today, we're gonna be continuing installing TSM on Mac. It's just that I didn't do some mistakes, but I just didn't explain the details of how to do this. Now, if you go to your ELE page and you go to Applied Econometrics, you will see that you have this TSM folder. So if you press on it, it doesn't do anything, and we press on Download folder. Now, once you download this folder, you will see that we have this folder over here, and you have all these folders with .tsm. So if we copy this, so Command C, and then we go to Documents, we press on TSM mode 4, which is here, and then we press Command V. So you will see that I have them all over the place here in this particular area. Now let's go back to Wine, and let's press Wine file, and we wait for it. Now, what I did forget to say last time was that if you go to Documents and you go to TSM mode 4, I forgot to tell you that we need to press on this one, which is Fonts. Sorry, not this one. If we go back, so I forgot to say tsm.bat. No, not this one. So if we press on copy files.bat, sorry, that's it. So this is very important for us to have nice fonts on the tables. So if we press on copy files, that would be helpful. And let's go back now to run TSM. So if you remember, I used to tell you that run tsm.mat. Now this is what you have to run. But just for now, for simplicity's sake, I just want you to have the same basic background. So here you will see that we have no data loaded when you run the TSM bat. Okay, so when you run the TSM bat, you will see that. So if you run this, you will see that for the first time, you will see that you have no data loaded. Now, what we need to do is we have to press on File Setting, and then we press on Open. And we go to, if you don't have it, we can go to My Documents over here. You will see TSM mode. And then you will see all these, the data that we have already uploaded. So if we press on this one, which is what we were working on class, you will see that we have loaded this data set, new demand, and these are your data that is available. I hope this helps, and I'll see you soon.